girl, welcome to my channel. So today I'll just be making some bonnets, and these are the materials that I have. I already have 5 pieces of satin fabric. I'm going to cut them all at once. I'll just put a template on top of the materials, then cut them all out. Sorry for the background noise, it's a little bit noisy over here, but anyways, come along with me and yeah, let's sew these together. So here I'm just cutting my fabric pieces. I've put them together as I said earlier. This will save on the time. So I'm using this brown template to just cut them through. Then I'll get more fabric at the end of it all. I'll go ahead and start sewing one after the other. I find this process really beneficial to me. Like, I just love sewing. It quietens my mind and it's therapeutic. So I really enjoyed working on this project, and any other sewing project that I do, I'm usually enjoying them. After sewing, normally to make the work neat, I usually iron down my project or my work, and this is optional. Not if you don't like it, you can skip this process, but I just love ironing because it makes the work tidy and neat. So yeah, I'll just continue ironing them. Then when I'm done, I'll take them back to the machine. Kindly let me know your thoughts about this video, what you've learned, what you love, what you dislike about this video. Let me know everything in the comment section. I love getting feedback from you guys. So back to my sewing machine, I'm going to make stitches 2 inches away from the edge of the fabric all around the circle. This will form an enclosing whereby I'll insert my elastic through that. At first, when I was sewing when I was attaching the 2 fabrics together, I had left like an inch of space between the fabric whereby I'll use to insert the elastic from. So you go ahead, leave a space of around 2 to 3 inches, whichever is suitable for you, so that you can easily pass the elastic through. Let me know in the comment section if you are enjoying the video to this point, and also if this video is self-explanatory and you can make your own bonnets or hair accessories, or if you'd like to get a bonnet from me. I deliver across the country at the moment, hoping to venture internationally in the near future. So let me know, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, and share to your friends, relatives, whomever might be interested in this kind of videos. And kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So after all that process, the final step is to close off the space that I had left earlier to insert the elastic through. So I'm going to do that for all the bonnets, and that will be it. That's my final product after all of that. Making such simple hair accessories is quite enjoyable and fun for me. Like, it's such a fun business for me. I find sewing really therapeutic, and yeah, I'm just enjoying myself. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and you got to learn a thing or two. Thank you for staying to this point. With my bonnets, I've made 3 bonnets. I'll be packing them and sending them to the customer. This is brown and gold. It's super pretty. Then there's brown and pink, emerald green and gold. I'm so in love with this color combination. So if you'd like to have a bonnet made for you, you can contact me on my business page at beyote.accessories. I do deliveries within Kenya, the whole of Kenya. I deliver countrywide. Very soon I'll be delivering internationally, so you might as well just put on your orders through. So you can get me on Instagram and TikTok at beyote.accessories. So until then, bye.